For over 20 years, and one thing that drives Casey and I mad is, well, they all work, okay, but they all tend to say, well, mine's the best way, well, mine's the only way, and it's not true. What they do with what works best for them, and I often get asked, well, what's the best way out there? And I just say, hey, come to our RIAs. You'll hear a lot of them. If one of those trainers resonates with you, or that niche that he's in, might be land, might be apartments, foreclosures, whatever, maybe that's the one you want to check out. Now, I'm not saying you have to buy their mastermind or their coaching. Some of these things you can spend $100,000.
Although you should. You should absolutely do.
Some of these you can spend $100,000 on. When you spend that much, I think you might get diminishing returns.
But hang on a second, Steve. I think it all depends on, again, I mean, I'm on faculty for a mastermind right now where we charge $100,000 to be in the room. We have 300 members worldwide. Do the math. But we're teaching people to buy and sell businesses. So it's the people that follow that blueprint would say that $100,000 is why they renew every year, right? The people that don't follow the blueprint, don't get a success or a win under, they don't renew.
And
It all depends.
I've been with Casey's his group for, I don't know, 10 years. It's very reasonably priced, and you can't go wrong with it. And I'm also in a couple of others like and these guys run their own. Some of those guys out there you'll never get a hold of. And I think that's an important thing too. You want to be able to get a hold of Casey, and you can. Or you get a hold of Robert, and you can. So keep that in mind as well.
Awesome. Great discussion, guys.